Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by asking Bob for a short break. Be direct and polite so he agrees. Explain how long you need him AFK and why, and confirm he understands any consequences for the team. Once done, check the game's AFK timer and any party settings that affect rewards or penalties. Make sure you have a replacement or a plan to cover his role so the match can continue. This minimizes risk and keeps the team functioning smoothly. Now coordinate the actual moment Bob goes AFK. Choose a safe point like a lobby or a non-critical map area. Once agreed, use any built-in pause, hold, or safe zone features the game provides to avoid penalties. Tell the team so no one surprises the absence. If pauses aren't possible, assign Bob to a harmless spot or role that minimizes impact, such as camping a side lane or guarding a spawn. And confirm. Finish by ensuring Bob returns ready. Have him check controls, latency, and confirm readiness with a quick ping so the team can reassign roles back. If the game applied automatic penalties or lost rewards, gather timestamps and file a support ticket or use the in-game appeal process. Be factual and concise. If problems recur, set scheduled breaks or reminders, and agree on a standard fallback plan so future AFKs are predictable and less disruptive to teammates.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.